Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining today. I am Jackie with Michael Lewis Marketing Suite, and I'm going to bring you directly into the suite and show you exactly what you have access to. I'll also show you the free items that we offer to you and show you how to make your very own beautiful postcard. So to get to our website, it is michaellewismarketingsuite.com. Once you get here, you can log in with your information. If you don't know what your login information is, on the bottom right here, you can go ahead and chat us. You can call us and we can look up your information for you. So let's log in. If this is your first time logging into the website, the first thing that you're going to see with us is the account information section. So do take the time to fill this out, you guys. Anything you put in this section will just autofill into all of your marketing work, just making it really quick and easy to use Michael Lewis Marketing Suite. So put in your name, put in your phone number, put in your email, your website, put in your headshot. If you have your own logo, you can upload it here, and same with your QR code. Once you're done, click Save Customer Changes. If you ever need to get back to this screen at a later time, maybe you want to change out your headshot, or add a phone number, or change the logo out, you can go to the My Account dropdown, click on Account Information, and that's where you can do it there. And this is also the spot where you can reset your password if you need to do that as well. All right, you guys, the next thing I'm going to go over is the free stuff section. So My Account dropdown, free stuff, and it's also right next to the customer care phone number. Okay, so I'm going to click on the free stuff section here. Anything in this section is going to be made outside of our website. So what I mean by that is our listing presentations. These are going to be made in PowerPoint. If you do not have PowerPoint, you guys, please remember that you can use Google Slides. It is a free application and it works pretty much the same as PowerPoint. Okay, if you're on an Apple computer, you can also use Keynote, and that is also free on Apple computers. So we have our traditional listing presentation available in English and Spanish, and we also have our high-end listing presentation also available in English and Spanish. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to download right into PowerPoint. Okay, and this is what the listing presentation looks like. There's only 12 slides to it, and it is so beautiful and very easy to use. So slide number 2, where it says client's name, click on that box, change out that client's name. Click on this address, change out that address. Okay, right click on this picture, change that picture out. You're set to go there. And then do remember you can change these photos up on the top here. So if you don't want this photo with the sofa, do know you can absolutely change it out. Okay, so this is your information. So right click, change that photo. And then down here you can put in your email, your phone number, your website. And then here's where you're going to put in your profile, your accomplishments, your bio, anything like that. All right, the fourth side is proof of production. So that goes right there. Testimonials, okay. And then going over the pricing strategy to get the property sold. So this is all filled out for you guys. You really don't have to make a lot of changes to this, but if you want to, just know you absolutely can make changes to anything on this presentation. Okay, going over the marketing strategy, going over photography. If they need staging, you can get that set up for them. Going over digital media and print, all of that. Going over the marketing strategy for the open house, website exposure, custom property website. Maybe for that open house, you're going to go door knocking for it to get everyone to come to that open house. Do social media broadcasts, newspaper ads, campaigns, website exposure. But if there's something you're actually not going to do on here, no big deal, you guys. You can just go ahead and delete that information, and you can always add more to it as well. All right, digital marketing. So you can tell them you'll do some open house flyers, just listed, just sold postcards. You'll have a yard sign for them, anything like that. So if there's something in here you're actually not going to do, like maybe you're actually not going to do a 4-page digital brochure, no big deal. Just go right down here and press delete, and you'll be good to go. If you want to add more to it, you can totally do that as well. And then it just goes over why KW, why they should hire you as a Keller Williams agent, why KW is number 1, and then it goes over the worldwide map as well. Okay, So this is all filled out for you guys, very easy to use. You only have to fill out a few slides and then you are set to go. Once you're done, you can file, save it as a PDF, and you can either print it or you can upload it into Issue, which is a virtual magazine website. So it's ISSUU, and you can text it to your client, you can email it, and they can pull it up on their phone, their tablet, or their computer as well. So that is free to use. You just have to make a login. So that is awesome, and definitely take advantage of that. Okay, we also have the high-end listing presentation, buyer consultations, also available in English and Spanish. Okay, so this is it right here for you guys, and it's only 8 slides. Put in your information again, put in those testimonials. Okay, here's that full home buying process. If you want to change something on there, of course you can do that as well. Okay, and then it's breaking down that process. So getting pre-approved, negotiating, writing that offer, okay, and then going over all of the rest, you know, the walkthrough, closing on the property. So if you want to change something on here, like I said, absolutely you can do that. You can delete any information as well. And then you're set to go, okay? Put in your information again right here, right click, change that picture, and then you can save it again as that PDF and do whatever you would like with it. All right, next are listing presentations. These are the old ones. So if you want to use the old listing presentations, that is here for you. Okay, and the older buyer consultations. So these ones up on the top that I just showed you, these are pretty new, but you can use our older ones. They are beautiful, they are gorgeous, so you can still use that if you need to. Okay, next are the email signatures. These are beautiful, you guys. So if you're on a PC, use the publisher one. If you're on an Apple, then you use the Pages. Okay, so it's gonna open right up here for us. So you can see we have about 13 different signatures that you can choose from, different textures, different colors. We have some for commercial. Okay, we have some for posh, which is very modern. Okay, so you'll just go to that box, click on that box, and just start typing your information in. Okay, click on that name, type in your name. Okay, it's already formatted for you guys, so it should be very easy to use. Okay, so maybe takes at most 5 minutes to do. Pretty simple. Right click on your headshot, change it out. If you don't have a headshot, no big deal, just press delete. And then of course you can move these boxes over if you need to, just by using those arrows on your keyboard. Okay, so that is it, you guys. Pretty simple. These are beautiful, just really adds an extra touch to those emails. I think it looks nice and professional as well. And there is step-by-step instructions on how to save it too. So if you ever need help with this, call us, chat us. You can chat us right here. We are always here to help you guys with whatever you need. Okay. COVID pieces are here for you too. So if you need any of those pieces, one-off flyers, newsletters, that's there for you as well. And then all of the pricing information is here too, which I'll go over with you in just a moment. All right, we have the real-time data next. So my account dropped down real-time data. It's also right here next to the name badges, and we did put it on top of the free stuff. So when you click on real-time data here, it's gonna bring you to a website called Altos Research. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put in your city or your zip code, and it's gonna pull up all that real-time market data for you. So the medium list price, the price per square foot, average days on the market. You can see the inventory is also pulling, medium house rent, all of that is here for you guys to view. You can switch it over to condos, and you can also see that information. On the top right here, you can click on share, and you can see like a full report that just shows lots of different graphs, several pages, and it just compares it against different years, which is really great to view. So we have some templates that go along with this website that I'll show you in a little bit here that you can use on social media, email blasting, anything like that. And of course, that's free. Okay, order history is here, saved work section. All of the pricing for all of our product is here, which I'll go over with you in a moment. Home button, lots of great training videos, and then make sure you are using Google Chrome. Best browser to use for best user experience. If you don't have it, this is a spot where you can go in and download it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go over all of the product that we do offer for you now. So first we have our business cards. They are 4 cents for one-sided, 6 cents for two-sided. So you can get 500 business cards for $20, and you can get 500 business cards double-sided for $30. Okay, so the minimum is 500, and you can see this information underneath every single template. It says product information. Go ahead and click on that, and that's where you can see that information as well. Okay, so for every single product, you're gonna see these different series up on the top that you can choose from. So here's that red series, lots of options under there. We have this slate series. We have this statement series as well, so black and white. White series, which is mainly white with some red. We got the posh, which is just very ultra modern pieces. Our specialty, which is our exclusive representation statement. We've moved, I've moved pieces. Commercial, okay, we will have commercial pieces. You can always design your own on a blank canvas, and you can always upload your own design. So if you like to make your own pieces on InDesign or publisher pages, you can take that, upload it into our site, and we can print it for no additional cost. We have the door hangers. So these are 20 cents each. Again, you're gonna see the different series up on the top that you can choose from. Okay, we have our flyers. These are 30 cents each. Okay, so the pricing that I'm giving you right now is for our print facility to print professionally for you. Okay, so you don't have to if you do not want to. So maybe you have an open house tonight and you need 50 or 100 open house flyers. You can come into the flyers, pick that flyer that you want to use, put in the property information for there, and then you can download the PDF for free for that flyer. Okay, and then you can print it off at home, in your office, wherever you need to do, and that's completely free for you. You can also download the image for free, and you can post on social media as well. Okay, so there's all of those series that I keep going over with you. We also do have Keller Mortgage in here. So if you're wanting to promote Keller Mortgage, going over zero lender fees, okay, going over $1,000 plus at closing, and then you can see all of your information automatically pulling right here. Your office's logo will pull, and then your own logo if you have one as well. So this is really done for you guys. You just have to click on it, press download image, post it on social media, or download PDF, and then you can pass that out, print it, whatever you want to do with it too. Alrighty, postcards. So we have our jumbo postcards, which are 8.5 by 5.5, and we have our super jumbo, which are 11 by 6. So our 8.5 by 5.5 postcard, we have a few different options with it. Okay, so for the postcards, you can do a mail out or a handout. So a mail out, so direct mail, it is 57 cents for us to print and mail to everyone on a database. Okay, so just a few pennies more than a postage stamp. We will print it and mail it for that 57 cents. Okay, or you can do a handout where it's 18 cents each. So we print and ship you a bulk amount of these to go and pass out yourself for 18 cents each. Okay, so we have all those series here. We have the prospecting as well, which I love showing. These are awesome pieces, you guys, and they're really done for you. Okay, so these 6 right here, these are the COVID pieces. And then right down here, these are just the normal prospecting pieces. So how much is your home worth? Is a move in your future? What would your home sell for in today's market? Do you know the value of your home? Okay, so these are all filled up for you guys. Very simple and very easy to use. Okay, so maybe pick your favorite 8 or 10 and do a campaign with it. Okay, you can throw that into MailChimp. MailChimp is free, you guys, up to 2,000 contacts. Okay, so maybe you're a new agent, you don't have 2,000 contacts yet, use that MailChimp, you guys, and do blasts in there and do campaigns in there too. Okay, maybe pick your favorite and put it on Facebook, put it on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, email blast it. All of that is completely free to do, okay? So you can do that. If there's any new agents watching right now, under I've moved, these are pieces to announce that either you are new to the office or that you transferred from another market center. Holidays, lots of beautiful holiday pieces, you guys. Okay, so hopefully every holiday you can think of is in here for you to use. So that day of that holiday, go in here, post it on Facebook, post it into an email blast, post it on social media. Okay, this is all here for you guys to use, and it's just so simple. Okay, maybe 2 weeks before that holiday or a few weeks before that holiday, go in here, pick that postcard, and go ahead and send it out as a mail out. Okay, so we have 4 pages packed full of holiday pieces, maybe even do a holiday campaign. Okay, so it's automated and you don't even have to think about it. Okay, just automatically sends that email out, on that holiday. Okay, recipes. A lot of great recipes in here, you guys. These are beautiful recipes. They are great. They are tasty. And you can see it's all filled out. Those ingredients, those directions, those photos, they're all done for you. Okay, at the bottom of each recipe, it is pulling your information as well. And if you want to, you can go in here, you guys, and you can go in and add your own recipe. Okay, maybe you have a recipe that you love, a family recipe, put it in here. Or maybe go on Google and just copy and paste some ingredients and some directions and a photo, and then you're set to go. Okay, so these are awesome, you guys. Take advantage of it. You can also use it like per season. So like this one you could use in the fall for like Halloween. Okay, this one you could use like in the summer. So these ones right here. Okay, so here's a pumpkin one, another fall one. So these are great. Take advantage of it, you guys. It's just all done. It's very easy to use. Okay, so life events. These are expired listings, for sale by owner, foreclosure, struggling with your mortgage, stuff on property tax. A lot of fun options in here too. All right, you guys. Okay, so we have our property brochures. These are 99 cents each, minimum of 50. Okay, so you can go in here. It is 4-panel property brochures. So we have ones that open like a calendar, so open and close like a calendar, and then ones that open and close like a book as well. So 99 cents each. Spanish pieces, if you need any Spanish business cards, postcards, flyers, property brochures, we got you covered in here. Okay. Brand builder. So if you as an agent brands yourself with a certain color, okay, so maybe that color is teal. Your yard signs are teal, your logo's teal, everything you use for yourself is a color teal. You can go in here and you can change these red text boxes and red boxes to be the color teal to match your brand. Okay, otherwise you can leave it as is, leave it as red and use it as a great campaign. So great pieces in here like, buyers are looking in your neighborhood, thinking about downsizing, need more space, relocating, life happens. And you can see a lot of this is filled out for you guys. Okay, going over the difference between renting and buying, why it's so great to buy. Maybe you want to take this one piece here and put it into an email or put it on Facebook. Okay, you can see all of those tips are filled out for you. And if you want to change one of those tips or a few of them, absolutely do so. It's all unlocked for you. If you're on a team, we also do have team pieces. So 10 reasons why buyers, sellers, and investors choose that. Put that team name in right there, and then all of that is filled out. Super easy, guys. All right, social suites. So these are meant for social media. So they are 10 by 10. So they are meant to fit perfectly within Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, any email, LinkedIn, anything like that. So you can see them under agent posts here. You can see we have a referral one. So going over referrals that you can refer. If you are new, here are 4 pieces to announce that you are new to your sphere. Okay, just listed pieces, take that and you can use it as a just sold, open house, anything like that as well. Prospecting pieces, buy with us, let us help you find your dream home. Or don't wait to buy real estate, buy real estate and wait. Okay, congratulational pieces, those are there for you. Just listed, just sold, market update. So you can change it where it says sold to pending or active or under contract or whatever you want it to say. The one next to it with the blue doors right here. So this goes along with Altos research. Okay, so what you'll do is you're gonna go into Altos and all you have to do is just right click, copy, go back into our website and then just right click paste. So you'll just copy paste once you're in the editor and then you are set to go. Okay, so very easy. Where it says Main Street, obviously change that name out to the city that you're using it for. All right, and then here's another one with like the top 4 that people like to see that you can just copy and paste in there as well. invitations for an open house, more prospecting pieces, and then happy anniversary. This one's so sweet. So it's hard to believe it's been a year since we found your lovely home. Happy anniversary. So you can change that to 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, whatever you want it to say. Okay, so that's there for you guys. And then we do the profit share builder. So if you're wanting to build your profit share tree, which I'm hoping everyone is, here is a great campaign for that, you guys. Going over, if you join with Keller Williams, look at all the great technology you get with Command, Kelly, mobile app. You get all this great training and coaching. Goes over how KW gives back with Red Day, Kids Can, and KW Cares, all of that as well. Okay, so once you're done making edits to all of these pieces, which I'll show you in a moment, you're going to see the Facebook button and the Twitter, MailChimp, all those buttons, so you can post directly from our website right to that social media platform. We also have Gary quotes right down here at the bottom. So we have 12 Gary quotes that you can use that are just beautiful. They are all done for you and just so simple to use. Okay, so that's all filled out right here. We have our note cards. These are like thank you cards, happy birthday, happy anniversary. And these are 64 cents each. Okay, so you can go right here and view that. Okay, and there's that real-time data. We also do have name badges for you and then that free stuff that I went over with you. All right, so that is everything that we do offer for you guys. I'm now gonna go into a postcard and I'm gonna show you how to make edits to a postcard. So what I'm doing right now to a postcard is exactly the same as what I would do to a business card, to a flyer, to a social suite piece. So what you make edits to the postcard is exactly the same for making edits to everything else on our website. Okay, and I'm also going to show you how to upload that database and how to post to social media and to an email blast as well. Okay, so you're going to pick that series and then you're going to choose that postcard you want. So I'm just going to click on this one right here. If you're doing a mail out, you are required to have a back template. We need a spot for that postage stamp. If you were just taking this piece and you were just using it on social media, then you would just choose handout. Okay, so I'm going to click here to select a back. You can choose from lots of different backs, and you guys, statement series, red, slate, Keller Mortgage, holiday, short sales, lots of options. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this one right here, and now I'm clicking continue to edit. So this is what you do for everything, you guys, every product on our website. Okay, so now we're going into the editor here, and now I'm gonna make changes to the postcard. Okay, so this is just a template, you guys. It is there for guidance. So just because it says just sold does not mean you have to use it for a just sold piece. Okay, so you can double click where it says just sold here, and you can just change it right out to open house or just listed or just sold, whatever you want it to say. Okay, so if $20,000 doesn't pertain to you, this one right here over asking, you can either change it or you can click on that box. Okay, right here, and then you can press delete and it'll be deleted. And then you guys, if you want this to be bigger, you can of course make it bigger. So if you see, you can see here, I'm gonna make it go to 27. You can see it's no longer in that box. The reason it's no longer in there is because the box isn't big enough. So just drag it out, okay? And now you can see it is now fitting in that box. You can also make the spacing between each letter more spaced out. So if you wanted to take over more of the top of the postcard, right here on the right here, you can just bring this over to, I'm gonna do 8, and you can see it's more spaced out between each letter. You can bold it, italicize it, okay, you can do all those right here, underline it, okay, font line spacing, all of that is here, change the degrees. Okay, X and Y coordinates, that's what you can use to line boxes up perfectly. And then layering as well is here if you need that. Okay, so once you're done making edits to that box, you can just press apply, and that's like a soft save. And then you can go to the next box. So where it says that address, double click on that address, and then you can just change it right out. Okay, press commit changes, double click down here where the bedrooms are, change that right out. So 6, you can change this to 4.5, whatever it is. Okay, and then commit changes. To change the photo out, you can just click on the image once, press upload. Now browse for that image here. Okay, and then you can click on that photo. I always recommend cropping that photo, you guys. We just want it to fit perfectly within the box that we just selected. So you can see I have a little T over that image. Just click and drag all the way down. Okay, and you can see I can't go any further out because that's how big the box is that I selected. But you can go up and down with it to select the frame. So I'm gonna go right here. Okay, there we go. I can go a little further out, but it can't go down. Okay, and then press insert image, and now it's inserted perfectly into that spot. Same thing for this one. Click on that image, press upload, browse for that photo. Okay, and then just click and drag it, and now you're set to go. Easy. Awesome, you guys. And if you move anything around, make sure you do keep it inside of that red dotted line. We just want to ensure nothing important does get cut off. Okay, so keep it inside of that red. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the back button right here. This brings us right to the back. Okay, so you can see all of your information's auto-pulling, you guys. You can see that's already done for you. You don't have to make any changes to it unless you need to. Your logo's pulling here. Your DBA logo for your office is gonna pull here. You can move it around and you can make it bigger if you need to as well. Okay, so then it says thinking of selling or buying. My marketing plan to get your property sold. You can see that's all filled out for you. If you're not gonna do a virtual tour, you can of course delete that. Okay, you can add more like I've been telling you. You can change it up exactly the way you want it to be. You can also see the MLS, Equal Housing, and Realtor logos on here. And same with the each office is independently owned and operated. That is automatically pulling up on here as well. All right, and if you want to add more text boxes or more images, you can click add image or add text, and you can add more to the postcard if you want to. Okay, so if you get stuck, it's late at night, we're not open, you can watch a video tutorial on how to make edits to this postcard. If you want to change the back, if you don't like this back, no big deal. Go ahead and click on change or remove back. Make sure you always save your work. Hire us to create this for you. So if you don't want to create this, you can hire our virtual assistant division, MLMS assistant, and they can go in and they can create it for you. Absolutely all done. So very easy. And then once you're done here, view proof and continue. So you're going to click this after you're done making edits to everything on our website. So view proof and continue. This brings us into the spot where we can view the postcard, make sure it looks good. We can also post to social media here, download the image, anything like that. Okay, so if you're wanting to take this and put it into an email blast, you can easily just right click, copy. So right click copy, go into your email. So I'm going into mine here and you would press compose and then you would just go into the body and then just right click paste. So just copying and pasting it in, you guys. And then you're good to go, and you can make this larger if you need to, smaller, and that's it. That literally took me less than 30 seconds. So just copy, paste. Otherwise, you can go down here and you can click download front image, and then you can drag it into that email if you want to as well. Okay, so you can download the images. The PDF does cost $12. So if you're wanting to take our postcard and you want to get it printed somewhere else, like another high-end printer, Kinko's, FedEx, something like that, you can download this PDF for $12 and you can go and take it there and get it printed, you know, at another print facility. Okay, otherwise the image is free for you guys, okay, and it is very clear, it looks great. It's just those, you know, high-end printers, they do require a high resolution PDF. Okay, so that's right there. All right, and then do remember the flyers, it is free for the PDF, brand builder, and that social suite too. All right, you guys, so now you can post directly to Facebook if you want to, so you can see that automatically is pulling up here for you. Okay, you can also post right to Twitter and to MailChimp. So you're gonna see that Instagram is not on here. They don't allow third parties to upload to their app or their website. So you just have to do it the old fashioned way and click on download front image and just upload it like you would any other photo. All right, you guys. So down here in white, it says mailing database. Okay, so we need to know where to send these postcards out to. So if you were using this on social media, you would just be done here and you would just move on with your day. But if you're taking this and doing a mail out postcard with it, you have to click this mailing database in white. Okay, and we need to know where to send these postcards to. So you're going to either request a database from us or upload your own database. So step one, option one, is where you can request a database from us where it's 8 cents each per record. So you give us the address and then we do a radius around that address. Option two is where you can upload your own mailing database. Just make sure it's on an Excel or a CSV file with the first, last name, and that full address on there. Okay, so once you've either uploaded your database or requested a database, the system is going to require you to name that list. So maybe a nickname for that list or the address that you're using that list for. Go down to step two, click on that drop down and just click on that list name. Whatever you named it as, click on it and press attach. So I can see I have one attached here. So then moving forward, if you ever want to use that list again, it's always going to be in this drop down for you to use at a later time. Okay, so it will be here if you ever need it. Okay, so once you're done, click on done. And now you're gonna go into the cart here, put your initials in saying you approve of everything that you have done with that postcard. Okay, and here's where you're gonna pick your postage. So postage, you have your third and you have your first class. So third class, by law, the post office has up to 21 days to deliver that postcard. Usually we see 21 days around the holidays when the post office is pretty busy. Outside of the holidays, it's usually about 2 weeks that it's getting delivered. We have first class, which is 78 cents each, guarantee of 3 to 5 business days for delivery. A benefit with going with first class is you will get any undeliverable mail sent back to you so you know who did not receive it. Okay, but about 98% of the agents who use us use that third class, you guys, and it's getting to them pretty quickly. Okay, current resident, we leave it as yes because we want it to deliver. So it will just say, for an example, John Smith or current resident. That just ensures delivery. Paper type, 100 is the normal. You can upgrade to 16 if you want to. That's what our business cards are printed on. Okay, and remember, you guys, it does have UV coating on it as well. It's very, very beautiful stock with that UV coating. If you want us to send you any handouts to go and pass out yourself, you totally can. Okay, the minimum is 20. You can see your quantity automatically switched over right here. And then you'll just click add to cart. It will ask for your shipping and your billing. When it asks for your shipping, don't panic. We're not shipping them all to you. We're just sending you one complimentary copy to your shipping address. Okay, so it's just nice to have. It's nice to see what you created. And it's nice for proof of production and all of that. It's good to have on hand. All right, you guys, so that is Michael Lewis Marketing Suite. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you ever need support or have any questions, anything, please call us or chat us. We are here for you guys. Here's our phone number on the top. So you can do 310-606-2029 extension 1. And you can also chat us and we can help answer any questions as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Thank you so much for joining again, and we'll talk to you all soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.